What's up, guys? I'm Rosalie.
And I'm Fernanda.
And welcome to our
Jardine apartment.
We're getting everything ready for winter break, so we're going to take you along with us. Come inside.
All right, so starting with the kitchen, I already made sure that I washed all my dishes. I also unloaded the dishwash. And then I also made sure there's no food left over in the fridge that could go bad.
And I made sure I took all the trash down into the dumpsters.
Next, we're going to check the bathroom. As you can see, we already gave the bathroom a quick clean, and now I'm going to make sure my shower faucet isn't dripping. Then we're going to go to our sinks to make sure both of our sink faucets are dripping as well. And then something really cool about our apartment is we have in-unit washer and dryers. There you are.
So for the in-unit laundry, I already did a load of laundry last night. So I just came back in here and checked that I didn't leave any clothing in there, in the washer or the dryer. And I'm also going to leave the lid of the washer up.
Wait, why are you leaving the washer lid open but not the dryer lid?
Well, I'm leaving the washer lid open so it's able to get dry in here and then it doesn't leave any smell. Now over here, we're gonna walk into my room. I already made sure to clean it up, keep it nice and clean, and I'm also making sure that all the windows are locked. And this is how you make sure it's locked. So now that we've done the windows, we're gonna go back up here and do the patio door.
Let's go, Fernanda, Mom's coming.
Okay. So over here's the patio door, make sure it's locked.
Next, we're gonna make sure our thermostat is set to 65 degrees or down here on auto.
Oh, Rosalie, we gotta go. Mom is downstairs.
Okay, we gotta go.
All right, guys, thank you.
Now we did it, now you try.